Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 6. Let's see what the question says. If the distance between the foci of an ellipse is 6 and the distance between its directrices is 12, then the length of its lattice rectum is. Let's solve this question. So we know that the equation of ellipse is given as x squared by a squared plus y squared by b squared is 1. And a is greater than b, we follow this condition, and these two things are already given in the question. So 2a is 6 and 2a by e is given out to be 12. So ae is 3 and a by e is 6. Mark this as equation 1 and mark this as equation 2. Now multiply equation 1 and equation 2. What we are going to get is AE into A by E equal to 3 into 6. E cancelled out and A square is given out to be 18. Now we have the value of E square. What you simply do is square both sides in equation 1. In this equation, what ends up is a square e square equal to 9, and we also know the value of a square, that is 8. So simply put it here, that is 18 into e square is 9, and e square can be further expanded by 1 minus b square. So once you will do that, the value of b square is coming out to be 9, and what we are going to find is the length of lattice rectum. So lattice rectum is calculated as 2b square by a. Let me erase this. Now just put the values of 2 into b square, that is 9, upon this is a, and the value of a is root 18. So this comes out to be 3 root 2. So our option D is our correct option.